It's time again for this year's Sonance and James Loudspeaker Outdoor Demo Contest. It's demo time.
The 2023 Sonance and James Loudspeaker Outdoor Demo Contest is here. Time to dust off those kits and do some demos.
We're good.
We're giving out over $130,000 worth of prizes. Winners will receive their choice of outdoor solutions up to $10,000 retail value.
And do we have solutions?
Winners can receive their choice of Sonance Landscape Series, Garden Series, James Loudspeaker Outdoor Towers, OMNI Planters, All-Terrain, and more.
And this one's dealer's choice.
And every qualifying demo will also earn a branded Travis Mathews Polo to add swag to your demo wardrobe.
This is bullshit.
We know that on-site demos lead to closed sales and higher ASP. Sonance has the tools and resources to support you from starting the conversation with the client to hitting play on their new system.
I think we should do this.
For complete details, visit sonance.com/demo.